he throws across, and you can shoulder roll it with your shoulder here. And then obviously you can follow back. You can also catch, when he throws across, you can use your elbow if you're smaller. So imagine I'm not smaller and he's punching down at me. Bang, then it's hard to do a shoulder roll. So I'll elevate it more, okay, to get it out the way from here. You could destroy it with the elbow. 1, 2, accidentally hit with this. 1, 2, and again go. And again go. Just see if you're ready. Ready right now, try a jab, cross, and then a hook. 1, 2, and then 3. When you do the hook, try to do this. So when he's throwing the hook, don't lift up the elbow. Keep his hand here. Watch what I do. I bring my head to my arm. So from here, I come down inside it. So I'm actually inside because that's quicker. So do the jab cross. 1, 2, now the hook. See, I actually go inside.